Come today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M23 and I'll show you how to animate ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sound section. Here you'll see the volume section. Just to animate ringtone on your device you should swipe this blue dot to the right side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that here in volume button control you got turn it off this switcher, and now by press your up volume button you can also unmute your device ringtone. And also you can do this with the third way. Just press your up or down volume button and then with your finger swipe to the up this volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.